Hi, I'm Srinivas. I help business owners build their dream company. To build your dream company, it's very important that you must have a strong sales team and a strong sales system in place in your company. To build your sales system, it's very important that you need to have a sales playbook. Have you ever heard about this term called sales playbook? If not, in this video, I'm going to share with you what exactly is a sales playbook and what elements you must include in the sales playbook. So, what exactly is a sales playbook? A sales playbook is a written document outlining your company's sales process, sales scripts, sample emails that needs to be sent in different scenarios to anyone, and what responses sales guys should give in different situations, and guidelines and checklists for sales team that they need to use in different scenarios. In short, the sales playbook includes everything relating to selling of your company's products and services. So now let's understand why this sales playbook is important and why you must have a sales playbook. A sales playbook brings consistency. And the second benefit of sales playbook is it can identify gaps in your sales process. In sales playbook, you put down everything on paper. Once you put down everything on paper, anybody can see it and review it. And people will give you feedback, and it will help you to identify where you can improve your sales performance. I think the biggest benefit of sales playbook for me is it creates healthy interaction between sales guys and it helps to build culture. And it's a great tool for sales executives, and it reduces your time while hiring new sales executives. So what you need to do is on day one of a new sales guy joining, you just need to hand them the sales handbook. And of course, you need to sit with him and explain all the processes, all the systems, and about your products. But having a sales playbook reduces training time drastically. So now let's understand how to make a sales playbook and what elements you must include in your sales playbook. The first thing, write about what your company is, what are your products, and what services do you offer. And the next element of a great sales playbook is list down KRAs and KPIs of sales managers and sales executives. I'm very surprised when I go to a company and notice that sales managers are actually not given targets, or sales managers don't know what to do, and on what basis they are judged, like their performance is judged. So sit with your sales team and write down KRAs and KPIs of sales managers and sales executives. And the next element of a great sales playbook is list down your ideal customers. Like who exactly buys your products or services? What type of customers does your sales team have to target? Make a list of it. And the next element is write down the sales process of the company. The sales process, in short, is a series of steps a sales team needs to do to take from a customer or a prospect from an awareness stage to a closing stage where he collects the money. So some of the steps could include prospecting, setting up appointments, giving presentations, handling objections, and closing. So based on your experience, write down what is the sales process of the company. And the next element is write down one liner for your company. So it's like an elevator pitch. Like for example, let's say if somebody comes and asks your sales manager, like what does your company do? What is that one statement he needs to tell to that person who has asked? And it needs to be uniform. Make sure that you train your sales team to say the exact same thing. That is the one liner. And the next element of a great sales playbook is cold calling scripts. If your sales guys do cold calling, it's very important to tell them what exactly do they need to say over the phone. Like it's very important to write down what they should say or ask while they are doing cold calling. Sit with your sales team and write down the cold calling script. And the next element of a great sales playbook is actual sales pitch during meetings. Imagine that your sales guy gets an appointment with your ideal customer. What exactly do they need to say and how should they say it? Write it down in the sales playbook. And the next element is success stories and case studies. Write down case studies of the problems you have solved of your earlier prospects. Having a strong case study builds authority in your prospect's mind and it becomes slightly easier to sell to your prospects. Ask your sales team to include these case studies during the presentation. And the next element is objections and their responses. I'm sure you would have noticed by now that your prospects gives almost similar objections every time. Like the price is too high, now is not the right time, or I don't make these decisions. While somebody is giving these objections, what exactly should the sales team guys say? How should they respond to? Write it down in your sales playbook and train them to say the exact same thing the next time. And the next element is trackers and formats. It's very important to have solid trackers and formats the sales guys needs to fill on a daily basis or a weekly basis. So trackers tracks the performance of sales guys and also status of everything that is going on in the company. And the next element is you must have a solid target achievement plan and growth plan. It's very important to have targets for your sales team. And it's also very important to say, like if you achieve these targets, what are the incentives that you will get? Or if you do not achieve the targets, what exactly will happen? Write it down in the sales playbook so everybody knows what is expected of them. And the next element is you must have a system in place where as a business owner you meet sales manager and sales executives on a weekly basis. Have a checklist in place where you list down what exactly are you going to discuss during this meeting. And the last element of a great sales playbook is you must have a strong training methodology for your sales team. Here, list down how exactly are you going to train your sales team. It could be through field trips, it could be through role plays, whatever systems and whatever ways you are going to train your sales team, make a list of it here. Here I have shared with you a list of major elements you can include in your sales playbook. A sales playbook could be anywhere between 5 pages to 50 pages or more. Once you create a sales playbook, it brings lot of clarity for everybody in your company, and it makes your life as a business owner easy. If you do not have a sales playbook and you want to make your sales playbook now, here are the two guidelines or two tips that I want to give to you. You don't have to prepare it as a business owner. Get your team involved. Ask your sales team come together and let them make a sales playbook, and you can review it and share your feedback with them. And the second tip is, don't get overwhelmed. You don't have to prepare sales playbook in one day. It's a process and it will take time. Even after preparing a great sales playbook, you need to update it on a regular basis. So my suggestion for you, in this week, get your sales team and ask them to prepare a sales playbook, or at least start with the sales playbook. And if you have any questions about how to prepare sales playbook, you can send me an email to the following email addresses. Thank you very much for listening.